Hi, I'm Tanner Overhelman, and I'm part of the Wide Horizons. And a fun fact about me, I'm super tall.
Hi, I'm Noah Stewart. I'm also part of the Wide Horizons program, and a fun fact about me is that I'm going to be playing MHS basketball this year, hopefully.
My name is Seth Van Beesler, and one fact about me is I'm on the cross-country team.
All right, today we're going to be explaining a little bit about erosion. So erosion is when rocks or materials on land is moved by wind, water, gravity, and other natural causes. Erosion is often caused by rain, wind, sun, and glacier ice. So as a classroom, you guys should discuss what are some water and wind erosion examples that you can think of. Here's the first demonstration video.
So I'm going to be showing you guys how erosion works. In this case, I'll be showing you an example of a mudslide. So in a mudslide, typically they're most frequent when it's super hot, dry. Typically a lot of them happen after rain. So for example, I'm going to pour some water on here, and you're going to see that with water, all the mud goes down super easy because there's nothing like trees or rocks or cliffs or anything holding the dirt back. But if I put these rocks along here, and maybe some sticks in between, and I add some more dirt, and when I add more water, you're gonna notice that the rocks and sticks hold more of the dirt back, and it keeps all the dirt from not falling back down, considering to be a mudslide.
All right, guys, so now we're going to move on to the next demonstration video for demonstrating wind erosion. So I'm about to demonstrate wind erosion and what it does to sand. So I'm just going to blow from my mouth into the sand, and it'll demonstrate the wind causing the sand to move everywhere. So as you can see, the wind erosion moves the sand everywhere, and it makes a mess everywhere. So the way we can prevent this is by putting up fences, for example, like wooden fences. And I know this is a rock right here, but just imagine it being a fence. So if we put up wooden fences, this can cause the wind to not have an effect on the sand as much, the reason it's bad, the reason we want to prevent this is because on beaches, if there's like a house, for example, the wind can push the sand, which causes the house to move more towards the ocean, which is not good. And so here's an example of what fences can do. So as you can see, this side of the sand does not move at all. And this side moved a little bit, but that is the front side of the fence. And so this is how you can stop wind erosion.
So is this a good or bad thing? Erosion can be both good and bad. An example of erosion being harmful is it can kill the environment due to mudslides, which is when dirt falls down the side of a hill. And another example is when the ocean current pulls sand from the beach over many times into the ocean, and it can make houses on the beach less stable. This is a very common problem. So discuss with yourself what can you do to prevent erosion or water erosion. And again, with your class, discuss ways that you can prevent wind erosion. Some ways that you can prevent erosion are for wind and water are fences, rocks, trees, cement, there's coral reefs, and there are many more. This is a term known as reinforcement. And this is a YouTube video. It's optional, but I would highly recommend it. It's a Bill Nye. It's very good. It just explains a lot of this more in depth. So yeah, thank you for watching this.